Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to set a daily time limit on the Facebook app. This is a great feature if you're trying to manage your screen time or simply want to make sure you're not spending too much time on social media. So, let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the settings icon at the top of the menu. Scroll down a little and you'll find an option called Your Time on Facebook. Tap on that. Now tap on Manage Your Time. To set your daily limit, tap on Daily Limit. This will allow you to choose how much time you'd like to spend on Facebook each day. Here you can select from options like 50 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, or even 2 hours. Choose the time limit that works best for you. Once you've set your daily limit, Facebook will send you a notification once you've reached that time for the day. And that's it. You've successfully set a daily time limit for Facebook. It's a simple but effective way to manage your screen time and avoid spending too much time on social media.